Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. I've been going out on my head, I've been waiting.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I'm rocking my short hair. I should have put some earrings on. I'm channeling a little boy action.
Now you look like a boy. I'm not gonna yell.
So dolls, today I'm going to be introducing the new 3D dome cap from OMGHERHAIR. Let's just jump right into it. Okay, so I did open the package, but I didn't look at the wig. But I did notice that they included the wig cap for me to show you what makes this 3D dome wig cap so special. They call it a dome cap because it was made to fit the head. So this is supposed to solve any issues that you may have with any type of lace wig that may gather in front. I really hate the wigs that do that. I'm not gonna hold you. I hate when the wigs do that. So this is supposed to solve that issue. The way that they've placed the lace and made the cap is supposed to make it have a seamless fit. I can already tell you that they have added the silicone strips to the back of the wig cap. And I noticed that they don't have the clipped on adjustable elastic band. Instead, they have an adjustable band that's built in, which I am really excited to try because that's pretty cool. They also have the wig combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back, and it's Velcro. That's kind of cool. I just want to make sure that this doesn't stick to your hair. I'm assuming it won't, but I'm going to try it out and let you guys know. And it also has this M shape along the wig cap that will adjust to your ear. Now, I just recently did a review for another vendor that had the same thing. One thing I noticed that the difference between that wig and this wig is that the M shape is a bit wider, because when I tried on the last one, it didn't really line up with my ear, which I was kind of thinking to myself, it's going to be kind of hard to line up an ear shape with people's head because everybody's head size is different. So I do like that they did make this a little bit wider so it'll fit a larger range of people's head. Also, you will notice that this cap is breathable, it has holes in it. So it's supposed to be more fitted while still maintaining its breathability. We're going to see. This is a pre-cut HD lace. I forgot to mention that. Okay, it's pre-cut. I'm going to show you once I open the wig. But they wanted you to notice that it's cut with the zigzag motion. And they said if you look at it under a microscope, you will see that the edges are frayed. Now, should nobody be looking at your wig under a microscope? Okay, let's start there, okay? Let's start there. They checking you a little too much if they doing that. But I can appreciate the extra effort that has gone into it. It's supposed to have a more natural blend with your skin. We're going to see. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and check out this wig. Okay, so rip this wig out the packet. Rip me out the packet, I'll be acting brand new. Okay, so this is the unit. This is their finger coily unit, but let's take a look at the unit itself. So as you guys can see, this unit does come pre-bleached. As I already mentioned, the lace is pre-cut. And as you can see, it's also pre-plucked. That scalp is looking very scalpish, and the lace area I forgot to mention is an 8x6, so that means it's going to be 8 inches across the front and 6 inches to the back. I'm going to go ahead and adjust the built-in elastic band. Okay, so I did have to adjust that elastic band a little tighter because this unit is big head friendly. So this is what it looks like straight out the packet. I am quite surprised that it's so much lace on this wig. Okay, I think they did say it was an 8x6. Yeah, so, and look, it's almost to my ear. That's almost like a 13x6. I don't know. So first reaction, I do feel like I should have a wig cap underneath so that I can use these combs because it's kind of, let me see if I tighten it a little bit more. Okay, so that's better. So what you're gonna have to do is when you adjust the elastic, the built-in elastic band, once you get to the size you like, tie a little knot, because if you don't tie the knot, what happens is it starts loosening. So if you tie like a little knot on it, it's going to hold it in the position in which you put it in. So that does make it feel a whole lot better. Okay, no need for the combs. False alarm. So this is what it looks like up close. As you guys can see, it is plucked really well. And the scalp is giving scalp. I like the way the scalp looks. But these are the coils straight out the packet. Let me go ahead and customize this.
Come find me in the night. We both know when it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my way. Come meet me in the crowd. Everything is allowed. Your mind is running wild, but we'll do it my way. Love is a feeling, and you can quench this fire. No, no. So give me when I want it, baby. 'Cause I got what you need. Just give it to me, give it to me. Oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, give it to me. Oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, give it to me. Oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, give it to me. Oh, give it to me now. Slow dancing in the night. Yeah, I wake you up inside. I want you close and tight. Yeah, I want it my way. Love is a feeling, and you
Okay, dolls, so that's all I'm gonna do to this unit. I completely forgot that this is one of those type of things you need to prep the night before, unless you're going for the wet look. But baby, it is definitely worth it. Another thing I will tell you is that if you want to cut your unit, I suggest cutting it while it is wet. This will help you get a more accurate length, because I feel like I cut it a little too short. I typically like to cut all my curly units just because I feel like it helps it shape better. And I don't really like hair to be on my shoulders, but if I would have did it when it was wet, I think it would have been perfect. So the length that it came in was actually pretty good. I would have just slightly trimmed the ends just to give it more defined curls on the end. But other than that, guys, this unit is a very cute to me. I like it. This is perfect for the spring and the summertime. And the fact that she is glueless, you can't go wrong with that. Now, I debated on whether or not I wanted to straighten my roots. I always go back and forth on whether or not I should straighten my roots. I'm going to straighten it just so you guys can see what it looks like. But I'm going to film the ending of this just in case I don't like it. This is what it looks like by me just gently tapping the roots. I think I like it a little bit better. It gives it a little bit more of a polished look. But of course, wear the hair however you like it, because that's the one who got to rock it, not me. But guys, if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I'm going to have the link provided in the description box down below. But before we get out of here, I'm going to need y'all help naming this beauty. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed in my last video. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. And if you're not already part of the Faithful fam, hit that subscribe button and join the family. I love to have you. And if you found this video helpful, why don't you check out these? You might enjoy them as well. As always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.